time there is a new burger, I usually go, can't wait to try it. But today we try the KFC Zero Chicken Burger. I'm be so fucking sad, I swear to God. Dude, they don't even give you Milo in a fucking cup, they give you Milo in a fucking can. Can, you know, can Milo, man. Everything's in a can? What the fuck, dude? Is this part of the whole fuck it, Pepsi Black? Alright, man. At the basket. You guys on his way. This is probably gonna be a really fast video. I actually have like a lot of videos lined up. But when I saw this KFC Zero Burger, and then I saw that whole Burger King in Japan by Abroad in Japan, I was like, dude, I gotta try it out. Obviously, I think that one is more intense. That one is like the Beyond Meat. So I don't know what this KFC thing comprises of. I guess we'll find out. A lot of times it's just soy, but I want to try that lab-grown meat, you know. Have you ever tried lab-grown meat? But yeah, check back with y'all in a bit.
Sedap oh bos.
Huh?
Sedap oh, baru punya.
Oh ya ke?
Saya dah sudah makan malam.
Oh okay.
Tadi pun ramai kat beratur ni.
Oh ya ke? Masih. Shit lah bro. Your safety is our priority. Okay, I trust you. Let's unpackage this bit by bit. Ear of the ox. How do you tape this shit up? Standard KFC fries. Probably one of the best fries. Let's put it over here. And chili sauce, because that is Malaysia's national sauce. Sneaky fry over here. And let's try, oh my god, Zero Chicken Burger. The packaging is so hard to remove. It smells like it's really heavily doused in barbecue. No chicken. Put this on the plate. I'm gonna dissect this shit. Bro, your mayo, right? All over lah, bro. Okay, this is what is inside the Zero Chicken Burger. Gotta say off the bat, it tastes really like chicken, man. Or maybe it's masked with all the pepper and the spices, I don't know. Let's try the first bite. Really tastes like a McChicken though. They got the smell down too. Apparently it's not vegan because it's got mayonnaise in it, but pretty close to vegetarian. It's got a good heat to it, like peppery spice. I honestly think this tastes like more tender than chicken breast. It's like an easier bite. A couple of years ago, I watched this Netflix documentary called Game Changers. Apparently like meat kind of fucks up the world. So I think everybody's going to be steering towards this direction of like no meat in a few years time. So mark my words, man, by the time like our generation has kids, they're going to be like asking you, you actually ate a real animal? You're like, yeah man. It's not bad. The price though, 20 bucks is a bit steep. Like 18.90 was it, if I'm not mistaken. So apart from the price, very standard burger, but I just wish they distributed the sauce a bit better. 7 out of 10. Maybe it's 6.5, 7. More videos are going to be posted this week. It's just that when I saw this Zero Chicken Burger got announced, I had to do it, I had to try it. And restaurants are all opening up now today. The last few bites, it's so minimal sauce, it's kind of dry. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment. and subscribe.